Welcome. Managing field operations, scheduling technicians, and handling work orders can become complicated without the right system in place. That's where Salesforce Field Service comes in. Salesforce Field Service is a powerful platform designed to help businesses manage field operations more efficiently. It enables teams to schedule jobs, dispatch technicians, track work orders, and manage customer service tasks from one centralized system. With tools for intelligent scheduling, real-time updates, and mobile workforce management, businesses can improve productivity and deliver better service to their customers. Let's get started. So repairs or installations. Salesforce Field Service is a robust, cloud-based solution designed to help businesses streamline their field operations, improve service delivery, and enhance customer satisfaction. The platform integrates seamlessly with Salesforce CRM, enabling businesses to manage service appointments, dispatch technicians, and optimize workflows all in one place. Salesforce Field Service offers a comprehensive suite of tools for scheduling, dispatching, and managing work orders. By leveraging the power of real-time data, automation, and advanced analytics, businesses can ensure that their field service teams are working efficiently, ultimately delivering a better customer experience. In this video, we'll explore the key benefits and features of Salesforce Field Service and why it's a great choice for field service management. In 2025, for its key features and benefits, first is the intelligent scheduling and dispatching. Salesforce Field Service provides an intelligent scheduling tool that optimizes appointments based on technician skills, location, and availability. This ensures that the right technician is dispatched to the right job at the right time. This reduces scheduling errors, maximizes technician efficiency, and improves the likelihood of first-time fixes. Leading to faster service and higher customer satisfaction. Another key feature is the work order management. Work orders are automatically generated from service requests and can be tracked through their lifecycle. Salesforce allows you to customize work orders with specific instructions, parts, and tasks, ensuring technicians have all the information they need before heading out to a job. This streamlines the workflow, reduces mistakes, and ensures that field technicians are fully prepared for each job, improving both service quality and customer experience. Another key feature is the real-time tracking and visibility. Salesforce Field Service offers real-time tracking, giving managers and dispatchers visibility into technician location, job status, and estimated time of arrival. You can also view work order progress in real time, so this enhances operational control, enables quick adjustments to schedules, and keeps customers informed with accurate ETAs, improving both efficiency and customer satisfaction. Another key feature is the mobile app for technicians. Salesforce's mobile app allows field service technicians to access real-time updates, view work orders, track customer information, and log job progress directly from their mobile devices. This increases technician productivity by providing all necessary tools and information in one easy-to-use app, reducing downtime and improving job completion rates. Another key feature is the service appointment optimization. The platform uses AI to automatically assign the best-suited technician to each service appointment based on factors like proximity, skill set, and availability. This improves resource allocation, reduces travel time, and ensures that the most qualified technician is sent for each job, optimizing field service operations. Another key feature is the customer communication and notifications. Salesforce Field Service automates notifications, sending customers updates about appointment status, technician arrival time, and any delays. It also offers customers the ability to reschedule or track their technician in real time. This enhances customer satisfaction by keeping them informed at every step and offering them greater flexibility, leading to higher engagement and loyalty. So, why is Salesforce Field Service a great choice? Salesforce Field Service stands out as a comprehensive solution for managing field service operations. Due to its powerful integration with Salesforce CRM and its suite of features designed specifically for field service businesses. Its intelligent scheduling, real-time tracking, and work order management tools allow businesses to streamline their operations and optimize technician performance. What sets Salesforce Field Service apart is its user-friendly mobile app, which ensures that technicians are equipped with the right tools and information on the go, with real-time updates and the ability to track job status and customer interactions. It offers a level of visibility and control that significantly enhances operational efficiency. Furthermore, Salesforce's advanced analytics and reporting features enable businesses to gain valuable insights into performance metrics, customer satisfaction, and service delivery. This allows managers to make informed decisions that optimize field service operations and improve customer experiences. Whether you have a small team or a large workforce, Salesforce Field Service offers scalability, flexibility, and the ability to grow with your business. So basically, Salesforce Field Service is an indispensable tool for businesses that rely on field technicians to deliver services to customers. With its ability to streamline workflows, improve customer satisfaction and communication, and provide powerful analytics, Salesforce Field Service helps businesses optimize their field operations, reduce costs, and increase customer satisfaction. So, as we move further into 2025, it's clear that Salesforce Field Service is a top choice for any organization looking to improve its field service management and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Welcome. Managing field operations, scheduling technicians, and handling work orders can become complicated without the right system in place. That's where Salesforce Field Service comes in. Salesforce Field Service is a powerful platform designed to help businesses manage field operations more efficiently. It enables teams to schedule jobs, dispatch technicians, track work orders, and manage customer service tasks from one centralized system. With tools for intelligent scheduling, real-time updates, and mobile workforce management, businesses can improve productivity and deliver better service to their customers. Let's get started.